It would take quite a bit of time if things were going to change here in Wisconsin. Fox 11's Bill Miston joins us to explain. Bill?
Laura, Wisconsin same-sex marriage advocates say not much will change here in the state with the rulings because of the state's constitutional ban. And groups against same-sex marriage say today's ruling by the Supreme Court is problematic. Tonight, we have multiple views.
The federal government ought to be able to determine the definition of marriage for its purposes, just in the one sense as the states can.
And as Wisconsin voters did in 2006, the state constitution currently says only a marriage between one man and one woman shall be valid or recognized as a marriage in this state. A legal status identical or substantially similar to that of marriage for unmarried individuals shall not be valid or recognized in this state. Wisconsin Family Action President Jolene Appling says keeping marriage between a man and a woman is essential for raising children.
No one's disputing, Bill, that two women or two men cannot love a child and provide for a child. But what they cannot do, two men cannot be both a mother and a father. Two women cannot be both a mother and a father.
State lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgendered advocacy groups say momentum for marriage equality in the state is growing.
Today is a huge victory for equality across our country. Achieving full marriage equality is not a matter of if, but a matter of when.
Bellinger says the state's 2006 gay marriage ban still limits marriage equality.
We still have a lot of work to do in Wisconsin. We have a constitutional ban on marriage equality in civil unions, and we're hard at work building capacity to repeal that measure in the years ahead.
The absolute earliest that could happen would be April 2015. Two consecutive legislatures would have to approve the referendum question and then put it before voters in the state.
It's quite a difficult hurdle to overcome.
St. Norbert College political science professor Charlie Jacobs believes it would take a large amount of public support in the state to change the state's constitution.
Even that might not budge a legislature that's primarily Republican, which tends to push back against those kinds of alterations of the traditional place of marriage in the community.
Now, a recent Fox News poll of American voters shows 46% of voters in the country favor legalizing gay marriage. 47% oppose it. More?
Thanks, Bill. And you can take an interactive look at how gay marriage laws have changed in the nation on fox11online.com. Look for that attached to the featured story on our homepage. This feature also looks at America's changing views on gay marriage.